Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about word order. The word order is very important in English. The word order is very strict in English. He plays soccer. He plays soccer on Tuesday at school, or he plays soccer at school on Tuesday. Which is correct? Watch this video and find out. The correct order: start with the person, the subject, I. Next we have the action, the verb, drink. After our verb, we need our object. Always put your object immediately after your verb. Object, water. I drink water. Always use the same order. Example, person, I, subject. Action, am, a form of to be. I am, and object, a teacher. I'm a teacher. Example, the car is red. We need this order all the time. First your subject, what are you talking about? The car. Verb, is. And you have your complement. It's a description, an adjective, a color, red. The car is red. Now it gets more difficult. Now we have the person, the boy, your action, your verb, plays what? Soccer is the object. The boy plays soccer. Now we have more information. Where? Where does he play soccer? He plays soccer at school. We need location next. After location, we have time. When? When does he play soccer? On Tuesday. So the order, the boy plays soccer at school on Tuesday. We cannot change the order. It's always the same. You want your object, your location, and then your time. The boy plays soccer at school on Tuesday. Let's practice. Does the boy play soccer or basketball?
The boy plays soccer.
Where does he play soccer?
He plays soccer at school.
When does he play soccer?
He plays soccer at school on Tuesday.
Does the boy play basketball or soccer? Where does he play soccer? When does he play soccer? Very good. Example. Start with the person, the subject, she. The verb, eats. She eats. What? Lunch. Lunch is your object. She eats lunch. Where? Put your location next. At a restaurant. She eats lunch at a restaurant. When? Every day. Every day is your description for time. So we need that order. Object, location, time. She eats lunch at a restaurant every day. Where does she eat lunch?
She eats lunch at a restaurant.
Does she eat lunch at a restaurant every day?
Yes, she eats lunch at a restaurant every day.
Where does she eat lunch? Does she eat lunch at a restaurant every day? Very good. Example, person, I. Or in future, I will, I'll. Verb, see, I'll see. Object, you, I'll see you. We have days and we have time. I'll see you on Sunday at 3. So it's better to put the day first and then the time. I'll see you on Sunday at 3. Or I'll see you Sunday at 3. The connector on is optional. If you switch, I'll see you at 3 on Sunday is correct, but you're emphasizing the time. The time is important here. I'll see you at 3 on Saturday. Normally, I'll see you Saturday at 3.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to improve your English and avoid making common mistakes, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.